This couldn't happen again. This is that one.
Hey, welcome to my room. So that's how it looks when you walk in. And the first thing you'll probably notice is my cow bedding. This is from Amazon, and I'll have the link posted in the description. And it's really soft and nice. Over my bed we have like a collage of my favorite things, which are like bandanas, that tie-dye one I got from Dollar Tree. And then we have like artwork that I did in 2nd grade. And then Taylor posters, CDs, and vinyls. And then we have an LED dino sign that my friend got me for Christmas. Over on that corner we have like butterflies that I made out of paper. And I colored them and hung them from thread so they could give the flying illusion. And over on this whole wall, we have SpongeBob flowers, and I just really like how goofy and bubbly they are. And then we have this garland, which is from Target. I just hung this here because, I don't know, that blue pole made it look weird. And then in this corner we have vines that I hung up. My TV corner with a shelf and this letterbox, Peace Tea Legos and stuff. On this wall we have CDs hung up all around the top. And this is my desk area, which is probably like my most used area of my room, other than my bed. But yeah. We have these fairy lights around my desk, and they just give a really cool illusion at night. We have this LED sign from Five Below, a butterfly that my sister painted me for my birthday, and then Hello Kitty glasses case. We have my Chromebook with all my favorite stickers, a goose sticker that my dad gave me, this Smishy Mishy sticker, these Peppa stickers, Hello Kitty, Brandy stickers, Vans, and yeah. And then we have like my whole desk area with my stationery and my water and my light and my pencils and stuff. And then I decorated my desk with these colorful cow print paper, cutout paper things. And I think it gave the desk more color. Moving on to where you just walked in, I have this whole collage with all my childhood artwork, my recent artwork, and CDs and stuff that I painted. And over here you can zoom in, and I have like some jewelry, my sister necklace, and a Ariel necklace and a choker that I made. And yeah, there's a lot of jewelry on this wall. That's why I don't really have a jewelry holder. I just hang it on pins. Moving on to this pink tape measure. I use this to measure myself every few months to see if I'm growing. And then we have my door, which I decorated with vines. And then this really cute tote bag, and this is my closet area. Next to my closet area, we have my getting ready area, or like seeing myself when I go out. And then I hung my bucket hat on top of my mirror, hung another vine here. And then this area down here I really like. It's just where I keep like my face towel, bandanas, shoes, and CDs for extra use. I have these fake flowers in a purple vase. And it's just really colorful over here. I hang my bags on these clear command hooks, and this is a fluffy tote bag my grandma just sewed me, and more bags that I will wear. On this whole wall we have an LED strip, which I'll show how it looks at night. And this is my nightstand area. In this drawer, I just keep all my hair accessories, face masks, eye masks, bandanas and stuff. And this walker with facial care and products. And just my nightlight, my phone, my Hello Kitty piggy bank, and a clay sculpture that I made in 2nd grade. And I keep my laundry down there. So that's my whole room. I hope you liked this video or tour. Like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.